Hello, mabuhay! This is Teacher Lourdes, and this is your course, The Teaching Profession. Our lesson 2, under the topic, The Teacher as a Person and as a Professional, is letter B, Teacher Roles. My source for this lesson is also Teaching Profession by Dr. Ilanan et al. And Teaching Profession in the 21st Century by Dr. Sarandani and Dr. Babaw. Special thanks to Canva.com. At the end of the lesson, the students are expected to demonstrate understanding of the varied roles of teachers and choose one teacher's role and explain your opinions about it. What is it like to be a teacher? At this point, do you really want to become a teacher? Are you ready to accept the roles of a teacher? What challenges will you anticipate in your quest to become a teacher? Now, let us discuss the 12 roles of a teacher. Number 1, the teacher as a community link. The teacher participates actively in the life of the community, interprets the school program to the public, brings parents to participate in school activities, and utilizes the resources of the community to develop significant application of the subject matter. There are PTA meetings, the Parent Teacher Association, where the teacher respectively and actively communicates the students' needs, achievements, and future plans or projects to contribute to the overall development of the students, school, and the community. Second, the teacher as a counselor. The teacher establishes effective relationship with the individual student, collects pertinent information about each student, guides student in understanding himself, gives advice, and assists students in finding solution to their own problems. The teacher serves as second parent to the students. This is why the teacher must be kind and approachable. Students who have family and personal problems can seek help from their teachers. 3. The teacher as a decision maker. The teacher decides on the objectives that should be established, the type of instructional program that could best achieve the objectives, the body of information that should be conveyed, the most effective methods, techniques, approaches, and materials that would facilitate the attainment of the objectives, and the most appropriate grouping that would best benefit the learner. These tasks are done with dedication and passion by teachers who are committed to give the students the best learning experiences. This is a day to day committed work, and the best teachers take this role seriously. 4. The teacher as a director of learning. The teacher plans and organizes learning activities, leads students through the learning episodes, controls the whole learning situations, and appraises the effectiveness of the learning situations. The teacher plans and organizes the step by step learning activities. This is also called classroom management, wherein the teacher must be in control of how learning takes place, as well as encouraging students' participation and positive behavior towards everyone in the class, inculcating respect to others and love for learning. 5. The teacher as an information processor. The teacher analyzes information and events and makes it learnable, facilitates its comprehension, interprets them to learners, and communicates them in a manner that students can comprehend. I know a math teacher who makes math fun and enjoyable through games and active student involvement. It is a sin to be a boring teacher. The teacher must use variety of teaching strategies, techniques, and approaches to encourage student involvement. 6. The teacher as a judge of achievement. The teacher defines the ability levels of students, evaluates students' levels of achievement based on standards, and determines who will be promoted or retained. Assessment before, during, and after the lesson is part of the teacher's skill set in order to determine the student's learning level. The teacher must keep an organized record of students' performances and outputs. 7. The teacher as a knower. The teacher knows much about the general fields of knowledge, thoroughly masters the subject matter of his or her field of specialization, brings learners to the world of ideas, provides accurate information to students, and readily answers the students' questions. A teacher is also called Jack of all trades. He or she must be a wide reader and always ready to answer students' questions. That is why the teacher must continuously read and educate himself or herself to become credible, knowledgeable, and wise. The teacher as a mediator of culture. The teacher articulates social, political, and economic traditions, develops cultural values, transmits culture, and enriches cultural growth of students. He or she must have a deep understanding of the cultural norms and values and can express positive judgment about social and ethical issues. The teacher as a model for the youth. The teacher exemplifies the scholarship and ideals valued by society and demonstrates acceptable sets of values. As I have always told my students, in the teaching profession course, the teacher must serve as a role model to the students. The teachers must be someone that the students respect and look up to. The teacher as a moralist. The teacher develops a functional moral and ethical code, creates acceptable moral atmosphere, and establishes norms for behavior within and outside the classroom. The teacher must embody wisdom and correct judgment as a person and as a professional. He or she must make the learning atmosphere with moral and ethical standards while making the learning process fun and enjoyable. 11. The teacher as a person of culture. The teacher possesses a broad general cultural education, demonstrates adequate skills in the use of language, is well informed of current developments in various fields of science, and appreciates arts and literature. The teacher must be skilled and has deep appreciation of the arts, literature, and different bodies of knowledge. And lastly, the teacher as a pioneer in the world of ideas. The teacher carries students to new insights and knowledge, leads children and adolescents to wide ranging and unlimited inquiry, and develops new ideas and practices to meet the needs and demands of the time. The teacher must be inspiring. He or she must be able to inspire students to become lovers of learning, to become innovators and change agents of the society. These are the 12 roles of a teacher, which you must put into heart if you decide to become a teacher in the future. For our student activity, choose one teacher's role and explain your opinions about it. You have 2 days to submit your output in our Google Classroom. Thank you for listening. I will wait for your output.